To fix Apple Pay identity verification issues, start by ensuring your device is running the latest version of iOS. Go to Settings, then General, and select Software Update to check for any available updates. Next, verify that your Apple ID is valid and in good standing. Sign in to your Apple ID account page and review your account information to ensure everything is accurate and up to date. If you have recently added a new credit or debit card to Apple Pay, try removing the card and then re-adding it. To do this, open the Wallet app, select the card, and tap the info icon. Scroll down and tap Remove Card. Then add the card back to Apple Pay by following the on-screen instructions. Another step is to check the card verification status. If your card is not verified, you will need to go through the verification process again. Contact your bank or card issuer to verify the card and ensure it is eligible for Apple Pay. Additionally, ensure that your device and card information match the information on file with your bank or card issuer. Any discrepancies may cause identity verification issues with Apple Pay. If you continue to experience issues, try resetting the Wallet app. To do this, go to Settings, then Wallet and Apple Pay, and toggle off Apple Pay Cash and then toggle it back on. Lastly, if none of the above steps resolve the issue, contact Apple support or your bank or card issuer for further assistance. They can help resolve any remaining issues and get Apple Pay working properly on your device. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any Apple Pay identity verification issues and start using Apple Pay to make convenient and secure transactions.